Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find seller's email. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now for this video, we're just going to find out from this Reddit. And as you can see here, how you can find the seller's email. So you can simply go to your purchases. So as you can see here, you can find them from your purchases on Etsy app, and then you can go to your any purchase, and from the bottom you will find the seller's email there. So you can basically do it here from Etsy. You will need to go to your account, click on your profile picture, you go to purchases and reviews. By clicking on it, you will find the list of your purchases. Now you will want to click on a purchase from a seller that you'd want to find the email. You click on the purchase, and after that you will just go to the bottom until you find the seller's email. Another way to start contacting or uh, talking with the seller is from Etsy itself. So you can simply and basically you can simply visit the seller's shop or the seller's product. For example, you can choose anything. So from here, we are going just for example for this product. So here you will need, for example, uh, you just see the products, etc. Well, what we are interested in is contacting the seller. So here down, you will find this section that is called Meet Your Seller. So from here, you will need just to click on message, and basically it's the name of the seller. Click on message, and from here you will be able to start messaging the seller. And also you can, for example, just go to the profile and you might find some information. So here, this is just called the store of the seller, and here our seller. And from here we can just find some information. And here, if we go about, those are just some informations about the seller. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.